So guys, that's the Shinjuku, Kabukicho, the busiest area of Tokyo, and that place is amazing. And this area never sleep. You can 24/7 come, and anytime you can need to play games, you want to some entertainment, everything is in here. And this place is full of restaurants, and it's an amazing place. Right now I'm looking for some sushi restaurant. Today my plan is to taste some sushi because I got a lot of messages in my page that please upload some video regarding the sushi, because the sushi of Japan is one of the most famous sushi. So finally I found one restaurant. I'm going there, and I will take my clip over there and tell me how you like it or not. So let's go inside the restaurant. Hey guys, here I found one sushi restaurant. The good thing of this place is that they just make and it's rotate in the tray. You select what you want and eat it up and enjoy your sushi. So guys, you can see it's a belt. Sushis are running over the belt, and I'm looking for my sushi, which one I have to try. Okay, I think I found some. Okay, they have written the name, and actually first I will try with the shrimp sushi. So I'm waiting for my shrimp sushi. Finally, the one sushi which I was looking for, it's on the way. So I'm gonna pick and taste it up. So I will tell you how it tastes like. So here it is. I was waiting for this one. Okay, yeah, that's my plate. So it's a shrimp sushi. So let me taste and give you reviews how it tastes like. I'm gonna taste it. The thing is, first you have to take some vinegar and grab it. It's a sticky rice and shrimp on it, and it's almost fresh. So amazing man. I love shrimp and it tastes me amazing. I suggest you guys to have sushi. Let me take one more bite. You can see the tail of the shrimp. I'm not gonna eat the tail, but only in the top. Wow, that's my favorite. My sushi is this one, salmon, surge salmon. Okay, yep. This is a salmon sushi. They serve with the lemon. So what you have to do, first you have to pour some lemon to just create a taste, and then hold it and take a bite. Wow, that's barbecue salmon, and amazing. You know what? This thing is rich in protein, and I'm gonna take 3 more plates of this salmon because I love salmon, and this salmon sushi is amazing. Amazing, man. This barbecue flavor was amazing. And wow, love it. Try is I think you can't guess because it's difficult to guess. That's a crab salad. It's rolled with a leaf, and down there is a rice. So it's called the crab salad basically. So let's try this one. Amazing. It's wrapped with onion leaf. In the front there is a crab, then some cream, and the rice at the end. Love it. I'm getting in love with sushi. What's your name?
Mizal.
Mizal. And she? Gobi. They are Japanese and they're very nice to me. They are helping me what to eat. So they did one order for me. Sea or chin. This one. So it's coming. So I will taste and tell you. Yeah, it's done. So they ordered this for me. That's something from the sea. So I don't know. Let's try this one and hope you guys like this one also. So I'm gonna taste this one. So okay, this again wrapped with the onion leaf and little dip in the sauce. Amazing. It tastes like little sauce and little barbecue taste and amazing. So thank you both of you for advising me this one. So amazing, really very nice. So guys, these are some Japanese friends. They help me and very nice in taste. Wow. They help me a lot to eat with sushi. So I'm again very thankful to them, both of them. So nice of you for helping me to and guiding me which is the best one. So please subscribe on my channel, Eat Sleep Travel, and keep watching my movies on YouTube. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay guys, bye. And the way of billing is very advanced in Japan. They don't count your plates. They have some device of scanner like which shows your bill, and they scan your plates and it's showing me that 1,960 yen. So it's that's without tax. So they will tell me now how much is the tax. And bye bye. So thank you guys. So nice of everyone. People are so loving in Japan and they help you a lot. And good night. Bye bye.